Hey everybody, guess what? It is time for another ad preview for the Walgreens ad that is coming out March 18th through March 24th. I can always tell you it's going to be a slow week, and the reason why it's going to be a slow week is when they do this 5 times everyday points. They always do that when it's going to be like kind of a slow week in couponing, but I'm hoping to find some great deals that we don't know about, so I'm just letting you guys know on that. Here we got the Cadbury eggs, the Reese's peanut butter eggs. Those are 4 for $3. There is a $1 off of 4 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys will end up getting each one for 50 cents, which is a pretty good deal. Here we got the CeraVe. They're going to be buy one, get one 50% off. We have a $5 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Plus, there is coupon savings in the Sunday's paper, so we will be getting coupons for that. Dove body wash, Dove men's care. I know we're going to be getting quite a few of the Dove products coupons this Sunday. So it's $6.49 plus the coupons, and then if you guys spend $15 or more, you get 3,000 points. I don't know, I kind of like stocking up on Dove. I don't use it enough, but I kind of want to stock up on it. Here we got the Airwick. Now those are $4.99. There are some coupons out there for some products. I'm hoping to maybe get some good deals. I know there's coupons on coupons.com, plus we got some in our inserts not that long ago. Glade, I know we are getting Glade coupons. Here, I'm just going to scoot this over. Right here we got Puffs tissues and Dawn dish soap. They're going to be 99 cents. Now I do think there are 25% off coupons in the March P&G. I'm not sure when they expire. I didn't look. But you guys want to buy 4 of them. You guys want to use 4 of those 25% off coupons. Yeah, I got it for the dish soap. Yeah. Oh, it's for the Ulta product. So it might be just for the puffs. But if you can use those 25% off coupons, you guys will end up paying $2.96, but then you get 1,000 points when you buy 4. Comes out to be $1.96 for 4 of them for just 49 cents a piece, which could be a great deal. OxyClean, a lot of you guys love OxyClean. Those are going to be $3.99. We are getting $2 off coupons, making them just $1.99. So that could be a great deal if you guys are brand loyal. Here we got Viva, Cottonelle, and Kleenex. They're going to be $9. We have those 75% off coupons. You guys will end up getting $3 back when you buy 2. So if you guys really need that stuff, that could be an okay deal. Not the greatest, but okay. Here we got Dixie plates. They're going to be buy one, get one free. We usually get $1 off a 2 coupon, and then I always see the deal in Savings Stars. So basically, you guys get like $2 off. So it comes out to be a pretty decent price for 2 packs of plates, and it is becoming the summer and spring, and I'm starting to like these plates a lot better. They're a lot durable than other flimsy plates, you know. Not much going on in the food area. They got sugar, bumblebee tuna, and chicken of the sea tuna, so not much going on with the food section. I did see the Well Yes soup, 2 for $3. Now I'm not sure if they still have that deal on Ibotta. I used it up, so I'm not sure if it resets for you guys, but there is 75% off coupons on the Campbell's website. If you guys can't print those off, there was 75 cents off it too. So depending on what coupons you can use, and if the Ibotta deal is still available for you guys, that could be a good deal. Not much going on with the candy and snacks. They got gum, 79 cents. We do not have those coupons for that stuff, so I know, kind of disappointing. Here we got drinks. Not much going on with the drinks. I'm hoping to find a deal for the 8x10 photos, because Easter they usually do a freebie, so be prepared for that if you guys need an 8x10 photo. Got some gardening stuff and women's tops and dresses. And then now we're into the Easter stuff. Not much going on for Easter stuff. I usually kind of just wait until after Easter to get deals, so it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. Here we got Neutrogena. There is the $3 off a 2 coupon. Now I think that's in the Walgreens booklet, plus I think we got Neutrogena coupons for $1 off, so might be able to find some good deals. And then there's also a Ibotta that just popped up, but I can't remember if it's for Walgreens. Here we got Garnier Fructis 2 for $7. Those coupons that we have do expire the 17th, which is this Saturday, so you will not be able to use those coupons. Just giving you guys a heads up. The Mitchum, those are $2.99. We're getting $1 off coupons. The coupons for $2 expire on Saturday also, so I know it's kind of disappointing for a lot of that stuff. But not much going on with the personal care products. Razors is buy one, get one 50% off. Kind of slow on that. Diapers are 2 for $18. Then if you spend $25 or more, you get a $5 register reward. I just did a video for Kroger / Pick and Save, so it's a better deal doing it that way. Here we got Crest, $3.99. We're going to be getting $1 off coupons online. If you buy 3, you end up getting $5 back. I wouldn't do that deal. That's my opinion. Listerine is, if you spend $10 or more, you get 5,000 points, so that could be a pretty good deal. I know we have Listerine coupons, but I'm not sure when they expire. Not much going on in the personal health area, so there's that. Everything, all the vitamins are pretty much buy one, get one 50% off. Not much. It's just a very slow week. Nothing to really, like, bulk up on. But I'm going to try to find some deals for you guys. There are some deals that we can do that I'm going to try. And now we're on the last page of the ad. Nothing really pops out. Yeah, I mean, they got the candies for 69 cents if you guys need filler items. Otherwise, Kellogg's cereal is $1.99. So, it's going to be a slow week, which is fine. It's nice to sometimes just take breaks. You know, sometimes I go to Walgreens so many times, and then it's like, I'm glad I get to take a break. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. If I missed a deal that was in the ad that I missed, please let me know. I'd love to help you guys out and show you guys more deals. But I will see you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.